If you're already a Costco member, you may not know that you can also get car insurance through the company. Costco offers auto insurance to eligible members through its partnership with American Family Insurance, giving members access to exclusive discounts and additional benefits. But is it actually one of the best insurance options in 2026? In this review, we'll look at how Costco Car Insurance works, its main advantages, potential drawbacks, and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. One important thing to understand is that Costco doesn't directly provide auto insurance. Instead, it partners with American Family Insurance to offer coverage exclusively to Costco members. That means your policy is backed by a well-established insurance company while giving you access to member-only pricing and benefits. Getting a quote is simple. You can request a quote online by providing information about yourself, your vehicle, your driving history, and where you live. Your premium will depend on factors such as your age, driving record, vehicle type, location, and coverage options. Costco's insurance offers the standard coverages most drivers expect. These include liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, uninsured and underinsured motorist protection, medical payments, and optional roadside assistance depending on your state and policy. One of the biggest advantages is the potential savings. Costco members may qualify for discounted rates, and executive members can receive additional benefits in eligible states. However, the actual savings vary from one driver to another, so it's always worth comparing quotes with other insurance companies before making a decision. Another benefit is the straightforward online experience. You can manage your policy, review your coverage, make payments, and access important documents through the insurer's website and customer portal, making it easy to handle most tasks without calling customer service. Customer satisfaction is generally positive, although experiences can vary. Many policyholders appreciate the competitive pricing and straightforward claims process, while others report that rates may increase over time, or that other insurers may offer lower prices depending on their driving profile. As with any insurance company, comparing multiple quotes is the best way to find the right value. There are also a few limitations. The insurance is only available to eligible Costco members, and coverage availability varies by state. Additionally, while member discounts can be attractive, Costco insurance isn't automatically the cheapest option for every driver. So, is Costco Car Insurance worth considering in 2026? If you're already a Costco member, it's definitely worth requesting a quote. The combination of member discounts, solid coverage options, and the backing of American Family Insurance makes it a strong option for many drivers. However, as with any insurance purchase, comparing prices, coverage, and customer service with other providers is the best way to ensure you're getting the policy that fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting us know if you've ever compared Costco Car Insurance with another provider.